At 40, you lose muscle every year. And it speeds up aging. Nakakabagal na rin siya ng metabolism. Kaya naman, mabilis na tayong tumaba, naglalaylay na yung ating braso. Here are some tips to stay strong, beautiful, and sexy in your 40s and beyond. Do not ever skip meals, huwag magtiis ng gutom at huwag nagpapagutom kasi once na kumakalam ang iyong tiyan at nagtitiis ka ng gutom mo, yung body mo, ang unang kinakain niya ay iyong muscle. Bakit? The number one nutrient that your body needs is protein. So saan nang gagaling yun pag wala kang kinakain? Siyempre sa muscle mass mo. Pag nag-shrink ang iyong muscle dahil skip ng meals, bumabagal ang iyong metabolism. So, make sure that you don't skip meals. And pangalawa, make sure that you always feed your muscle. Paano? By eating protein sa lahat ng meals mo. And protein, saan siya nanggagaling? Pork, chicken, beef, fish, tofu, nuts, beans, taho. And for me, Herbalife protein shake kasi plant-based ito. Dahil ayaw ko na puro animal-based yung aking protein source kasi nakakataas din ito ng animal fat and cholesterol. I do eat animal protein pero I make sure I balance it with plant protein 50-50 para healthy tayo, and with Herbalife protein shake or mga plant protein na base. Meron itong fiber, meron itong vitamins and minerals para immune system mo maganda, hindi ka mag-constipate. Make sure na right amount of protein ang kinakain mo araw-araw. Hindi enough na kumakain ka lang ng protein. Bawat isa sa atin merong saktong amount ng protein na kailangan. Bibilangin natin yan once you start in our 6 weeks coaching program. Right amount of protein equals mag-shape up ka, mag-trim yung belly mo ng tama, no? At hindi ka maglaylay. Are you looking for a wellness coach? DM us for free consultation.